Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Logitech MX keys for Mac. This has advanced wireless illuminated keyboard for your Mac, and this is from the Master series from Logitech. I'll give you some quick details on the back. You can go ahead and pause the video anytime to take a closer look at the details, and then we'll get to the unboxing in just a moment. And if you'd like, you can also get the really cool Logitech mouse that goes along with this keyboard. Alright, so now we'll get to the unboxing. Very nice keyboard right there. It's made out of metal. So here are the steps to get it connected. They show you right on the box. Turn the keyboard on, plug in the adapter, or turn on Bluetooth on your computer, and then connect it right there. And then you can use the function keys at the top to select different devices. Now this is for Mac, so this will work with the iPadOS, iOS, and macOS. So the keyboard itself, right here, you can see the keys are slightly scalloped. We'll get a closer look right there to fit the finger when it presses down. I like the travel and the click sound. Now, it's not a harsh click, but it's also not a super soft, mushy click either. We like the escape key. It's quite big. And everything has a scalloped key. We like the design of this a lot with all the keys. Keys are very important to daily use. And if you're a gamer, you'll like that these are also scalloped right here. Now, some of these are not scalloped, like these. These are your function keys for your Mac, but the rest of them are scalloped. And here are the buttons to switch between the devices. And also your number keys are scalloped, and you get that number 5 indentation so you know where you're touching, so you know what numbers you're using right there. And then the back of the keyboard, it has rubber feet all the way down. So there's 6 rubber feet. So that's the keyboard. And if you want to use the adapter, it comes with the adapter here, and then we showed that to you in step 2 right there. So this is the Logitech MX keys for Mac, and it's quite a nice keyboard, has some nice weight to it as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.